Okay, today on the workbench we've got the Cragstan Satellite Outer Space Survey Ship. Signal sounds, that means it has a clicker, powered by battery motor. It says that flashing lights, actually the lights don't flash but they move in a really cool way. It says automatic orbiting actions. What that means is it's a non-fall toy. Place it on table, it will not fall off. Same information on those sides there. So basically, I think before I take the top off, because you can see the tabs aren't bent down, because I've been in there working, and I thought you'd take a look at it. Look at the cool lights and see his arm moving there. Now on the bottom, being a non-fall toy, you basically have two rear wheels. This one free spins, this one is driven. Then this wheel in the middle is driven, but doesn't normally touch the surface, the tabletop or whatever you're on. Then these two teeter-totter pieces keep that wheel from touching unless it comes to the edge of a table, in which case it can drop up and then that wheel will hit. Because this wheel is freewheeling, that means these two wheels drive and it'll make it spin really quickly away from the edge. If both wheels were driven, it would always try to go straight ahead and it wouldn't spin and go away. So what you've got going on the inside, in this top part here, to get his arm to move a little bit, we have this lever. And that lever is driven by a little metal cam right there on that wheel. I'm going to turn it on so you can see it move. So that goes around and around, and that's what does that. This is the motor. It's the red plastic type, which means there are no motor bushings on the shafts. So these tend to wear out kind of quickly, so I like to keep those well lubed up because it's just a metal shaft turning in a piece of plastic. Nice thing about this particular one though is it has a nice big hole right there where I could get in to spray cleaner into the brushes and get it running full speed again. Now the clicker that was broken, this is the back side of the clicker, the drum side. You can see that little piano wire piece. It had snapped off up here from years of clicking, so I had to replace that with a new piece of piano wire to get the clicker going and the lights that move back and forth. And your teeter-totter from the front. And that's pretty much it. Pretty much what you got going on in the Cragstan Outer Space Survey Ship with signal sounds, powered by battery motor, flashing lights, automatic orbiting action, place on a table, it will not fall off. Let's try that. I don't have a table in here, in this this little teeny shelf that I'm using as a desk in here. Let's just see what happens. Oh, it wants to turn that way. It could be a problem. Here, let's move it further away. Alright, there we go. Works pretty good. I didn't actually expect it to perform that well on a little teeny shelf like that, but it does.